Retraction. That last video, fucking ignore it, right? Just ignore it. That was me being a bit rash, right? I've had a night's sleep on it. Plus, I forgot Adam is setting up a food network on the internet where live streams go on it as well. So, the same thing stands. If it's random shits and giggles, just me in the garden, having a beer, it won't be on this channel. But if it's a food review or I'm cooking live, then it will be on this channel. So listen, still head over to Hopwood Show, still press subscribe on there because all the meaningless live shit will still be on there. Just anything food related, cooking, reviewing will be live on this channel. Do you know what? If I can make my mind up, I'd be fucking dangerous.
Hey, Chris!
What?
It's a good job we love you, you fucking bellend.
Hey, not as much as I fucking love you.